All right, so how do we know what ion does each element form? And is it a cation or is it an anion? Okay, so we have calcium and aluminum here. So step one, we are going to look at the group numbers and the chart to determine the valence electrons. So for calcium here, it is in group number 2. So therefore I've got, so group 2, 2 valence electrons. And for aluminum or aluminum, if you're British, right here, I'm in group number 13. So I have 3 valence electrons. All right, so I figured out the valence electrons. Now I'm going to use this chart to look for whether they're going to gain or lose electrons to become stable. Because remember, these atoms in real life, usually they're not just floating around individually. They want to become stable, and to do that, they're trying to give off their electrons, usually to form bonds. So in the case of calcium, we have 2 valence electrons. So in order for calcium to feel stable and to bond, it must lose 2 electrons and become a +2 positive ion. So we're going to lose 2 electrons, and then what it becomes is calcium +2. That's how you would write it. Let's do yellow here. All right, so what about aluminum? We've got 3 valence electrons. So we want to lose 3 to become stable. So to write that, I would put the symbol Al and then up on top +3.